Good morning, good afternoon, and good night where you're watching this. I'm doing the intro in my car because I don't know if you can tell, it looks a bit snowy. Anyway guys, I'm going to brace it just for you and see what I can find. See you on the first hole. Right, as you can see, I don't know if you can see the snow on the camera, but it's bloody blizzard. My first hole, it's just a little 2-2 bullet, but hey, fingers crossed we find something a bit better. See you on the next. Right guys, on to my next find, just for Mr. CT Relic Digger, a nice rusty relic. He likes these rusty ones for some strange reason, but hey, that was a nice deep hole as well, and it's still snowing. I shall see you on the next. Right, on to the next signal. It is a Canadian flag badge. I think it's is it a Canadian cat badge? That is a cool find. It's got a Canadian leaf on anyway. Maple leaf, sorry. Tell you what, the Froze White North has come here to look me off some presents. Look. Old Digging Canuck would like that one. Anyway, I'll give it a bit more of a clean up when my fingers aren't ice. See you on the next. Right, on to the next find. It's a bit chilly. It's only a button. It's a button. Hey, at least I found one in the snow. Anyway guys, so see you on the next hole. Oh, it's very warm out here. Lovely sunbathing weather. Right, I'm on to my first, looks like absolute blankness. I've already had a little wipe off, but yeah, I'll take it. I'll give it a proper clean up when I get back to the car and see if anything comes of it, and I shall see you on the next hole. Oh, my fingers are lovely and warm. Right, on to my next hole signal. Pinpointed it to this clod here, and I don't know if it's a coin or a button. It definitely doesn't look silver, he says. I'm going to say that's a very old, crusty, bent up coin of nothingness, but I shall clean it up when I get back to the car. Yeah, that was really deep, that. Very faint signal. Dug it up. Woohoo! Anyway, see you on the next. Right. Oh, it's so cold. I don't know if today has just paid off. Little tiny ting signal. I thought it's another 2-2 bullet. But can you see? It's a silver hammer. Cut quarter. Right, I'll have a quick clean up and I'll show you. Right. It's got 4, possibly 5 pellets that side. Yeah. Let's turn it over. My hands aren't working. And that side I'll clean it up when I get back to the car. But yeah, man, he's on to a silver hammy. All the snow. I'm in a bit that isn't so deep, so I'm just getting nice and close to the floor. But yeah, yes. Right, see you on the next. Right, on to my next hole. It's this massive musket ball. Really heavy as well. Anyway guys, I shall see you on the next. Right, excuse the wind, just walking back to the car. Right, on the roundup, as you can see, still snowing. A few rusty bits. It's not a lot today because got on my buttons. Always got to find a button or 2 or 3 or 4. There's my musket ball. There's my other roundages. Another button. Another button. But yeah, got 3 coins. As you can tell, they always are of that field unless they're silver. Crusty McCrustersons. But I'll give them a proper clean up when I get home. My finds of the day though have to be this Canadian cat badge. Yeah, I like that. That'll clean up just beautifully, that would. And obviously we're back on the silver. What I'll do is I'll show a picture of all 3 cut quarters from my recent hunts. But yeah, they're all different sizes. But yeah, that is my find of the day. Anyway guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe and put a thumbs up. And I'm hopefully, yep, do you know what, even if it's snowing, I'm out tomorrow, so I should upload again tomorrow. Right guys, see you on the next home.